One thing all successful people have in common, they're decisive. Welcome to Monday Mindset Minute, where I take a couple of minutes to help you shift your mindset so that you can start creating the life that you want to live. Decisions literally shape everything in our lives. Think about the house that you live in, the clothes that you're wearing, the person that you are with, the choices that you've made with your career and your health. It's all been a decision on one level or another, whether you were aware of it or not. So today I challenge you to go through the day and start looking at every action that you take as a decision. The decision to go left instead of right, the decision to smile at somebody or not smile at somebody, the decision to move your body or not move your body, the decision to have the salad or the fries, and see what thinking starts to come up. If you want more in-depth information about how to make decisions quickly and correctly, go ahead and watch the video, How to Make Decisions Quickly. I'll leave the link below, and it should also be showing up in your end screen here. And if you haven't hit subscribe yet, hit subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment below and let me know how your Monday is going. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.